It's funny how a phone can become more interesting the moment its successor arrives. Xiaomi has now moved on to the Redmi 17 series, which means the Redmi 15 is no longer the newest generation. But before you completely write this phone off, there is something you should know. The Redmi 17 brings a bigger 7500 mAh battery and faster 45 watts charging. So yes, there are some meaningful upgrades. But the Redmi 15 still has a few things going for it, including its 6.9-inch Full HD display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and a 7000 battery. And this is where things get interesting for buyers. If you're already using the Redmi 15, the arrival of the Redmi 17 doesn't necessarily make your phone obsolete. You still have a perfectly capable device and there's no reason to upgrade simply because a newer number has arrived. But if you're planning to buy the Redmi 15 now, the conversation has changed. You should be asking how much cheaper is the Redmi 15 compared with the Redmi 17? Because if the price difference is small, the newer phone may make more sense, right? But if retailers start clearing out Redmi 15 stock at a significantly lower price, which I doubt they will do, this older model could actually become the better bargain. So no, the Redmi 15 is not dead. It has just moved from being the newest Redmi to being a phone whose price now matters a lot more than its age. Thank you for staying with me in this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.